Has set up shop and is not moving in Grand Forks to Devil's Lake to parts of Stutsman County as well. Here is a look at I-29, this should say, at the Thompson area north of Fargo. And I got to tell you, the snow is building up. It's slowing things down. And for some of us, it's flat out impossible travel. Here's a look around from Jamestown and Tappan, where the interstate is closed as we look off to the south. New Rockford, by the way. Not looking too rosy there. Here's a look at the forecast as we head into the evening hours. First and foremost, where you see the dark blues and purples pretty much everywhere from central North Dakota into northwest Minnesota. Periods of moderate to heavy snow, 1 to 2 inch per hour snowfall totals. It's been snowing out west all day. It's been snowing up north for a few hours, and it continues into the night. Notice this sharp cutoff to rain here in Fargo, and watch what happens this evening. Stays rain. I paused it here in the close to 10 o'clock hour. See this enhanced area of snow? It's quite large, and it extends to an enhanced area of rain down here south of Ellendale near Britton, South Dakota. That batch of heavy precipitation could exceed 2 inches of snow per hour. Watch what it does as we go through the 10 o'clock hour, and towards midnight it moves right into Grand Forks again. You're already at 8 inches in Grand Forks. Now that continues to work its way into northwest Minnesota, Roseau, northern and western parts of Beltrami County as well. Still rain here. As we go through the overnight hours, we expect it to continue. We may get a brief dash of snow in the Fargo-Moorhead area, but we certainly have a better chance of snow in northern western Cass. Look at Barnes, look at Stutsman County. Continuing into the morning, the snow continues. The drifts in our viewing area, 5 to 10 feet. We could have 15-foot drifts or more out in parts of western North Dakota. That's right, even a little more in some places. The wind really picks up from the north out to our western counties. Now, as we go through the day, dry air punches in from the south. Not all of us will get cut off, and in fact, it's snowing in Grand Forks and points north of Highway 2 in Minnesota all the way through about midday before warming air pushes in and warms things up just a little bit. But look at this, north winds pulling cold air down around the backside, and it has snowed all night, all day today, and then all day tomorrow in the Devil's Lake Basin. It just continues and it continues. And then the wind really picks up. Still dry in Fargo. You're going, what storm? We'll have our chances for some accumulations of snow here, but it's not until later as the wind really gets to ripping as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday. How much snow as we go into your Wednesday? Here's what we're expecting. 4 to 7 inches plus in this area of blue. 6 to 12, which does include the Grand Forks area here. And we are going to expect 10 to 18 inches for the Devil's Lake Basin. We showed this last night. Blizzard conditions, very significant drifting out in the blizzard counties. This has been the highly variable area where that transition zone from the heavy snow to near zero snow is, and that's what we're seeing tonight, adjusting that forecast as we see the radar establish bands of heavier precipitation. More rain than snow in our eastern counties. Let's take you from Wednesday through Thursday and show you what I mean for the rest of us who have had no snow yet. As we go through Wednesday night, the cold air wraps around, and we're going to get some snow accumulating Wednesday night into Thursday morning here in Fargo and points south. That's when our impacts will be, and it'll be windy as well. As the low finally starts to slide out, we'll have those northwest winds continuing, colder air. Look at this, snow continuing most of the day on Thursday in the same areas where it has been, and it just continues even into Friday. Look at the time here in the morning, then Friday night. For northwest Minnesota, you could just continue to add to your lofty snow totals there. Finally, exiting late Friday. Long week of weather here, folks, and we'll continue to keep you updated. But right now, isolated folks are going to see up to 40 inches in the northeast parts of North Dakota. We're going to see 8 to 18 plus inches northwest Minnesota, right down into the James River Valley. Look at this, Highway 200. You're on tap for that, as well as portions of Grand Forks County, very close to Grand Forks, 18 plus. Keep it here, folks, as we look to the south. Here's this rapid transition to near zero. Fargo, I think, in that 2 to 6 inch category, wrapping to near zero by the South Dakota border. Radar shows that heavy band of snow setting up shop, slowly drifting just a little bit to the north of Grand Forks, but from Thief River through Crookston and western Polk County, heavy snow continues across northeast and north central parts of North Dakota. Severe weather, including an active tornado warning near Fort Dodge in Iowa. 30s tomorrow. Rain in Fargo, gusty winds, a little bit of a break as drier air punches in as far as precipitation goes, but our chances increase Wednesday night into Thursday for snow. We told you about Easter Sunday. Here's a sneak peek at that. Still an issue. Wind and snow combine to create some tricky travel again as we go through your holiday weekend. First alert weather days right through the week. We talked about that in extent. Significant snow, a break Saturday, Easter snow, and then a little bit of a break once we get into Tuesday. Did you get all that?
That's a break on Saturday? Just a little bit.
Yeah, 24 hours, maybe a little more into Friday night too. So
Okay.
yeah,
We'll take it.
yeah.
Later on Valley News Live at 6, garbage and junk piling up. Cleanup week is around the corner in West Fargo.